The area that I'm going to cover today is within the area of science fiction. It has been also, my original title has been Sexed Up to the Truth Behind the Hype. I didn't put that, but I think it was some artistic interpretation. And what I will call it is our limited knowledge to date. So the things that I am going to talk about, and I hope you will be able to follow me, is what are stem cells, where can we get them from, what type of source can we use for stem cells, are there your own stem cells or from a compatible donor, what can stem cells do for MS therapy, what are the problems related to the use of stem cells, studies of stem cells therapies in MS, and our approach to regenerate damaged MS tissue. As you have heard during the morning, it was very clear that the majority of the therapies that are available today have to do with dealing with the immune suppression in MS. And that is very important because, as Gavin showed you in his first slide, if you can stop the autoimmune reaction completely, then you may stop also the progression and having all of the other side effects of neurodegeneration. So what are stem cells? I have noticed that there is a lot of, a few bald people here, and I know that the sexual activity may be very high, but they are losing their stem cells of the hair. That's why they are bald, okay? So the stem cells in our body regenerate the cells that are dying. And the best studied stem cells that are also used in medicine a lot are the cells that originate in the bone marrow and are the cells that can reconstitute our white blood cells and our red blood cells. And that is used a lot in cancer. People who have leukemia, they get full body irradiation to kill all of their bad cells together with the stem cells in the bone marrow, and then when they find an histocompatible person or maybe an identical twin, then cells from that person are given to the person that is having the disease. And what is more important is the fact that we can take stem cells in the tissue, from the tissue, and put it in cell culture, and we can make them become everything we want. We can make them become muscle, we can make them become fat tissue, we can make them become nervous tissue, okay? So the possibility is out there to be able to make, at least in tissue culture, all the cells that we may need in order to regenerate tissues that are damaged.